everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today's recipe is a restaurant style Kadhai Chicken, and this one requires very few ingredients. Let's start by taking a heavy bottom pan. We'll take 1/4 cup oil in it and put a chicken in it. We'll saute the chicken. Now we'll add the ginger garlic paste to it and saute the chicken till it's golden in color. Now we'll add the chopped tomatoes to it. Salt, Kashmiri Chilli powder, Coriander powder, Cumin powder and black pepper powder. We'll stir occasionally. We don't need to add any additional water to it since the tomatoes will cook in their own juices. Occasionally scrape the bottom of the pan to avoid sticking. Now we'll add green chilies and chopped coriander and mix them well. You can simmer it for 2 to 3 minutes. see that the tomatoes have coated the chicken and the moisture is completely reduced and the oil has separated. Your restaurant style kadhai chicken is ready.